Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Venmo's customer support chat. Now to access customer support chat, what you want to do is to open the Venmo app on your mobile device and then tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then just tap help to access the help center, and then you can tap contact us to access the customer support chat, and then just select the topic that describes your issue or question. Now when using the customer support chat, there are a couple of things that you can do. You want to make sure that you describe your issue or question in details. You also want to provide relevant information such as your Venmo username or transaction ID, and then just wait for a response from a Venmo customer support representative, and please respond to any questions or requests for additional information from the support representative, and work with them to resolve the issue that you're having. Now a couple of other tips and reminders. The first, of course, is to be clear and concise when describing your issue or questions. You also want to provide accurate information to help the support representative to best assist you, and also just be patient and wait for a response from the support representative after presenting the issue to them, and be sure to follow up with the support representative if you don't receive a response or if the issue is not resolved. So yeah, that's you also have additional support options. You can just call Venmo's customer support number. The number is right there on the screen. If you don't want to use that, you can also use email support. The email address is right there. And you can also visit Venmo's help center for answers to frequently asked questions and tutorials on using the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Venmo's customer support chat. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.